And for more on what's next for tech and AI, let's bring in Paul Meeks, head of technology research at Freedom Capital Markets. If you just add things up, Paul, it's just like really exciting. It's not all bees either. We've talked in cheese with some of these things. What we asked Gerstner earlier today was, sounds great. Is the money going to be there that we're hearing about to build the energy for these data centers, to buy the chips? I mean, companies are giving each other money to buy things from each other. It's all a little bit strange.
I agree, Joe. It is strange, and I lived through the internet bubble, so I know how it works out on the other end. But I will tell you this, that the spending, even though it's very aggressive, I do expect that it'll continue for several years because the folks that are spending the money have the balance sheets and the cash flows to mostly fund it. And they all, to a man, have said in their public commentary that they see the first mover advantage in this AI nuclear arms race to be absolutely critical. So they will continue to do it. Yeah, when we get out 3, 4, 5 years, then I'm starting to get a little bit more skeptical, but I do expect this to continue apace for the next couple.
I mean, we've seen big capital expenditures, CapEx expenditures, building out other things in the past. And no one, I don't think, could have, I guess, predicted how powerful the internet would be in every part of our life. Is that promise at least equal with AI that we saw with the internet, and even maybe 2 or 3 times that? It's staggering, because all we're doing now is just spending all this money to build it out. The payoff is going to be huge.
Like with any technology, they may overestimate the near term and underestimate the long term. I do feel that in the long term, AI will at least be an internet type of build out and follow on, if not bigger. When your guest this morning says 10x, that seems to be a little bit of a stretch to me. But obviously, it is well worth doing, and they will spend heavily because they think that it's important to spend heavily, at least through, let's get through 26, 27.
Scott Bessent this morning said it means more jobs in the end, like every other time we've had transformative technology. I don't know. You believe that?
I agree with you. When you think about it, more jobs, right? One of the things that these economists have always said when it comes to this particular topic is when you increase productivity, which it will, you increase folks' wealth. If you increase their wealth, then it's good for all. But there were going to be some jobs, just like when the internet came into play, that will take some jobs to the woodshed, right? You think about software coding. Do you need a software developer? Do you need a person in the telephone center when you have agentic AI? No. So I would say if you're a college student, make sure that you're in the right area. It is blind to say that everyone's going to benefit. I think the Treasury Secretary has that wrong.